need to cut our zucchini. Slice in the middle, cut like this, and it's depend what kind of slice do you want, okay? But for me, I like this kind, like cubes, okay? Small cubes. As you can see, guys, I fill up the carrots, and I have special cutter here, okay? This is give a design, you see, so it's look pretty. So when you cook food and it's look pretty, your kids or your loved ones really want to eat because it looks special. Unlike we using a regular knife, there's no design at all. You see, guys, that's it. But who wants to eat with the design and without design? Of course, everybody's want with the design. So it looks, it's already yummy. It's depend what design cut you want. So it's up to you. Okay, you're the one who's gonna eat it, not us, not the neighbor, not somebody. It's only you. So it always depends on you. Now, guys, I have here portabella mushroom. I love mushroom, guys. Now I'm gonna cut it. The cut that I want, it's only like this, okay? It's a little big. Try to slice a thin slice. Do you like mushroom, Deba?
Yes.
I love mushroom, guys. But I like this portabella mushroom.
Watermelon mushroom?
Portabella.
Papa.
Papa.
Now you said my name.
Now we set aside. We're getting ready for our hibachi vegetable. Cut some onion. Make sure you take it off this underneath because this part it's hard. Okay. I use white onion, so it's depend what kind of onion do you want. Just like I said, you're the one who's gonna eat it, not us. So somebody's like red onion. Somebody's like, this is with onion. It's good for the kids because it's not spicy like red onion. Yep, that's it. Now our vegetable is set. We're gonna cook vegetable. I'm gonna cook first the carrots because this is really hard. Since I have space in here without fire, while we are waiting my carrots to cook, I'm gonna put on the other side the zucchini, okay? Because this is no fire, so I'm just gonna put in there. And then my portabella, portabella mushroom and onion. I'm just gonna put on the side, guys. The hibachi vegetable was really easy. And then I'm gonna add some ground pepper. So ground pepper. vegetables still crunchy on there. That's why we're not gonna overcook this. Now we can move our all vegetable on the side. I'm gonna put the onion first. Because this all kind of vegetable is very tender. We don't want to be overcooked. Okay? This is like kind of a grill. So on our vegetable, hibachi, we can add a little bit, just a little of teriyaki sauce, okay? And a little soy sauce. One tablespoon of butter. Okay, I'm just twisting a little bit more black pepper. And then we can stir. Drizzling a little bit oil so it's getting dry, guys. You don't want to overcook your vegetable. So we want to make sure the crunchiness of the vegetable is still there. Although it's cooked, okay? You want to make sure it's cooked and the crunchiness is there. So healthy. Gonna put some pinch of salt, okay? That's all. So I don't want salty. But if you guys want salty, you can add more salt. But for us, I don't want my kids eating too salty of food. Because as you know, the salty is not good. So I rather to eat them without taste any salt than they eating salty, okay? Because I always want your kids are healthy. Now, our hibachi vegetable is cooked. Here's our hibachi vegetable.